We have a confirmed visual right here. He's moving fast.
The target is heading northeast. We need to intercept before the checkpoint.
After decoding the hunter's tablet, the team finally reaches a location marked with a red X, deep inside a forgotten valley.
Everyone, stay alert. The signal shows heavy activity underground.
I'm ready. If there's a tunnel, I'll find it.
I see heat signatures. A lot of them. Something big is happening below us.
Max, clear the soil around that rock. Copy.
It's a secret entrance. And it's recently used.
This must be where they transport captured animals.
Too heavy. Something is locking it from inside.
Security disabled. Rex, try again.
Lifting now.
The deeper they go, the louder the mechanical sounds become.
These labels. They're shipping animals across borders.
Not on our watch. Keep moving.
Get ready. The panda arrives tonight.
Boss said it's worth a fortune.
The truth hits them like a shock. This is an illegal underground animal market.
This is worse than we imagined.
We shut it down. Today.
There. The panda.
Just say the word.
Intruders! Block every exit. Max! Create a barrier!
I'll secure the animals.
I'll disable the lights.
What happened? I can't see! Team, move now!
It's okay, little one. We've got you.
Hana, status report.
The exit is compromised. They're charging high-energy stun blasts.
Max, make us a new way out! Everyone climb! Go, go!
The team prepares for the next mission, because the wildlife still needs them.
We saved the panda, but this isn't over.
Yeah, their leader escaped. They'll strike back.